Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Parshvika. Welcome to GLOBO page channel, where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. Well, in today's video guys, I'm going to talk about the Amazon KDP low and no content book, because I have published almost 1,000 books in just 4 months, and mainly that catering to the low content books. So I'm going to talk about, is it really worth to upload so many books onto Amazon KDP, and how much I have made so far in my Amazon KDP business, and more related to it, and what are my thoughts about it, and how I'm going to pursue it in the future. So I'm going to talk about all these things in this video. So if you're interested in that, now let's get started with the today's video guys. And also, before going into the good part of this video guys, I really want to tell you, I would really appreciate that if you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, so whenever I upload more such videos, you'll be get notified about it. Now guys, I've already made a video talking about how much I make in my first month in just few weeks of starting with my Amazon KDP low content book. If you want to check that video out, you can check that video out in the card section above guys. In that video I talk about how much I make in my first month and various details regarding it. You can go and check for that video in the card section above guys. But in today's video guys, I'm going to talk about, like, I have published almost 1,000 books in so far in just 4 months of starting with my Amazon KDP business. Now I get started with my Amazon low content KDP business back in late June, but the first book that I published in late June was went live on 1st July. So I count it as July, because on the July itself my book was live on the Amazon, so I can see my results from the July itself. So I'm gonna take it like July, August, September, October. So till October I have uploaded almost 1,000 books onto the Amazon KDP. Now that was mainly, my books were there for the low content book, because I rarely publish for the no content books. So mainly my books were related to the planners, the gratitude journal, the various different types of the log books, like the in the various different niches, like the food logbook, fitness journal, or something like that. So mainly my books was that only in that category only, and in the 4 months I uploaded almost 1,000 books. Now guys, I was about to getting started with in the July itself, but in the very beginning I just uploaded the few books and then went live onto the 1st July, and that got me few sales. Like, I sold the 3 units of the same book in the July itself in my first month, and I have talked about all those things in that video guys. You can check that very well. But so in the 4 months so far till the October, I uploaded like almost 1,000 books, and these books were all or almost low content book, because I rarely publish in the no content book. I mostly go for the low content book. So those were the books that I published till October, and I can see that I have got like almost 100 sales so far, because after the October I didn't publish any book. In the November, in the December, I didn't publish any single low or no content book. I didn't publish any book. So it was a passive income for me, that I was getting sales from the book that I have previously uploaded onto the July or August in the month of the November and December. And since it was a Q4, and you already know that in the Q4, in the December, the sales just double up or maybe triple up, depending on whatever phase you are right now in your own online business journey. So it depends on that guys, and also depends on your own strategy, whatever one you go for. For some of you guys it may just double, for some of you guys it would be triple or maybe more than that, whatever it is. So in the November and December I didn't publish any book. So I published in the July, August, September, October. In the 4 months I published 1,000 books, and in the 30th October I just stopped publishing the book, and I just stopped uploading any more books onto the Amazon KDP. So I just want to see that how far, like how it goes. Like, I heard a lot about that in the Q4 your sales double, your sales triple, and just rise up. So I literally want to see that whether it goes same for me or not, because it was my first year in my online business, it was first year in my KDP business as well. So I was completely new to it. So I was just testing the ground, I was just testing the platform, what works for me, what doesn't work for me, what are the strategies should I need to follow? Should I need to go target for the micro niches, or should I go for the macro niches? Should I need to upload more books onto this Amazon KDP? Like many people have this strategy of going for uploading, mass uploading on these books and then making money online, and like they are uploading more quantity, and some people are focusing on more quality. So like it depends on whatever strategy you go for. So I want to check for the December. I made like 100 sales. I sell almost 100 units of my low content book. Now in the November and the December I didn't publish any books. So in the November and December, the sales that I got from my low and no content book were the books that went live in the July, August, in the early stages of me uploading that books. So that was a complete passive income for me in the November and the December. And I'm talking till December, guys. I'm not talking about the January. I'm leaving the January for future videos. So I'm just talking till December. So till December, like November and December was really amazing because I wasn't expecting much of the sale because I wasn't uploading any book at all. It was all passive that come in the November and December. So I have total so far sold 100 units of my book in those 1,000 books. Now few of the books didn't sell at all, but few of the books got the multiple different sale. Like one of my book got almost 10 sales, and that was so amazing for me because I wasn't really expecting that. And some of the books didn't even get a single sale. So I just wanna, now guys, you would be thinking that is it really worth for me to upload so many books on Amazon KDP and not getting that much sales, because I just got the 100 sales so far. Now you would be thinking 1,000 books and only 100 sales, is it really worth? Now I want to tell you guys, yes, it's really worth for me, because when I was getting started with the Amazon KDP and I was watching other YouTubers talking about the various different niches, various different content book ideas, different keyword strategy, title, description, and all those things. So it was creating a great confusion for me, overwhelmed. Like I was completely overwhelmed by all those ideas, and I wasn't know what I need to go for and how to pursue for it. So I thought that instead of me thinking a lot about it, I just need to take an action, and the results will going to tell me what's working for me and what's not working for me. So it's really worth for me, I can say very well so far. It's really worth for me, and guys, and it's a passive income strategy. Right now, it's not that much, but in the future, upcoming months, it will going to make more money for me, and I'm gonna actually see for it. I'm gonna actually go back and literally see that which book is really working well for me and which doesn't work well for me. Because from the 100 sales I got, one of the books sold 10 units, guys, and that was really amazing for me, because that book sold 10 units and some of the books didn't sold any of the units so far. So I have like a cross of an idea, like this is working for me, so I need to go for it, and it's not working for me, so maybe I just need to test it a little bit more. Should I need to change my strategy for that thing? Should I need to change my title, description, or book cover, or the content of the book, or some sort of strategy or anything like that? And now I'm going to tell you guys, all these are organic stuff. I don't pay for any ads. I don't go for Amazon ads for getting sales for my book. It's all organic. I just make books and I just left it on the Amazon to actually pick up my book and get sales for me. I don't use any paid ads, guys. I really want to tell you, I don't use any paid ads. It's all the organic sales that I'm getting from the Amazon search results. And yes, Amazon is one of the biggest marketplace on this planet, so I can tell you that it's really worth for me so far. Right now I can see that it's really worth for me uploading so many books, because I have like stats, I have a thing that I know that it's working for me and it's not working for me, rather than just me thinking about which I should need to go for it, what strategy do I need to follow and all that. So I hope that this video is really helpful to you. Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye, guys.